Hi Christine, this is Austin, Myrna's son. I'm not sure exactly where you got stuck in the process of applying for the college teaching certificate, but I'm going to just go through the My Grad Space thing on the Graduate Studies website and just see if there's anything here that's helpful, hopefully. From the main und.edu, I just search for I'll do School of Graduate Studies here, and then that will go. There's a few that pop up. I find it easier to get probably one of these two, but I'll just do School of Graduate Studies. There we go. Now, along the top, prospective students. And then we'll go down, and over here, which probably would have been the one to click actually, the admissions page, how to apply, and then complete the online application. And this little pop-out page, I think you probably would be returning visitor now if you've created an account. I'm not sure if you fully finished that, but if not, you can make a new one. You just basically need a new email. If you want to do it again for a different thing, you can, like a different degree or whatever. You can certainly go ahead and make a new account, and I will see. I'll try to use an old email. I probably won't finish it here, but just to show you what to select in the process, you can do state and all that stuff. Now here's where this looks wonky as far as there's no fields, they're just open. I don't like that, but it's part of the new website. I'm sure they messed it up. Program 1 will be college teaching, right there. And I think that's all you need to do. And then the type of degree would be certificate. Coursework would be campus. If I'm not sure if you're taking distance or on, doing through Zoom, but we do have that possibility of zooming you into most of the classes if you can't make it. And then in person. Start courses, I'm assuming it would be now fall 18. Where did you hear about us? It doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want. That's additional stuff if you want them to send you materials to your email. Then you get to decide your username and password, which right now, oh my goodness, the field is way over here. So that's that, which is just frustrating. This website looks terrible without any boxes here. And then, yeah, I acknowledge my data, submitting that, and that should do it. If it prompts you through any more clicks than that, but really the big thing I think was the program college teaching and the type of degree certificate. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if it works for you. And I think it's a $35 application fee, and I don't remember too much after that point. So thanks.